welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that it's been a while since I've actually posted a video, but if you guys noticed, around 2 weeks ago I actually put out a video. I just was trying out a new little app that I downloaded just to see if I could get some of the bags out to you guys, so you guys will be able to see what I have available for the back to school collection. Now I'm promoting my back to school collection, so I'm going to be putting up some videos for you guys, so you guys will be able to see what I have available for the back to school. Right, so for now in this video I'm just going to show you around 15 of the bags I have available now. If you guys like any one of those colors, you guys can indicate to me if it is that you want that particular color but in a different style. Just indicate to me and I'll be sure to get one done for you guys, as long as I actually have some of the fabric left. But for now, just take a look at these bags.